What are we going to make? 今日は何を作るんですか？ Yes! 今日はピザを作ります。Today we're going to make pizza. Are you excited?
Yes!
ね、ワクワクするね。So first, we'll introduce our ingredients. So we have pizza dough, ピザ生地, onion, 玉ねぎ, sausage, ソーセージ, tomato, トマト, cheese, チーズ and pizza sauce ピザソース So that's our ingredients. Yes. So we'll make a pizza.
Yes!
First, what do we do?
I don't know.
First, we will stretch the dough and flatten it out. ね、生地を伸ばします。いいよ。
Whoa. I did.
You're done?
Yes.
できた？ Next, we will spread the pizza sauce using our spoon. 次にピザソースをスプーンを使って伸ばします。Rina is licking the pizza sauce. Okay, I think that looks good. ね、それでいいと思うよ。So now to the toppings. トッピングを乗せます。First, what do we do? What topping? 最初は何のトッピングを乗せる？ What's that?
Cheese.
Yes. チーズを乗せます。Rina will put the cheese on our pizza. Or she's sprinkling the cheese. Sprinkle というのは、日本語で振りかける。Rina is sprinkling some cheese on our pizza. Rina がチーズをピザに振りかけてます。Rina, you can put a lot. いっぱい乗せていいよ。Take a handful. ガバッと取って。Yeah, good job. All done? Okay, that looks good. Then what are we going to do? 次は何をする？
Tomato.
Okay. We're gonna put the tomatoes. トマトを乗せます。How many slices? 1, 2, 3, 4.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 slices. Good. And then, what shall we put? 次は何を乗せる？
Already done.
All done? No sausage? No onions? ソーセージも玉ねぎも乗せないの？ But I think Daddy would like some sausage. ね、パパはソーセージ好きなんじゃないかな。Let's put a little bit on. ちょっと乗せようか。How many? 何個？ 1, 2, 3. Great job. And I liked onions. Can you put some onions on? ね、私は玉ねぎ好きなので玉ねぎもお願いします。Okay, that looks good. ね、そのぐらいがいいかな。Okay, we are gonna bake it from now. Yay! And we're gonna bake it until the cheese is melted and bubbly. ね、チーズが溶けてブクブクするまで焼きます。Do you like melted cheese?
Yes.
とろけてるチーズ好き？I can't wait to eat it.
Me too.
Yeah. Okay, well, we will bake it from now and we'll be back.
So long, farewell. It's time to us to go. We play in sun and now our day is
That's a great song. いい歌だね。Great. And our pizza is done. ピザ焼けました。And we decorated it with some sausages on the side. Right? 余ってたソーセージを周りに乗せました。I'm getting hungry. お腹空いてきた。リナも Are we ready to eat?
Yes.
Okay, well, we are gonna eat. We're gonna have dinner. これから夕ご飯です。
Is it pizza day?
It's pizza day. 今日は夕ご飯ピザです。It looks so yummy. It looks so yummy. 美味しそうだね。I'm getting hungry.
Me too.
Shall we say goodbye?
Yeah.
Okay, bye. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned a couple phrases.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, we're gonna have dinner from now. これから夕ご飯です。Rina, you can take a bite. Let's eat. これから食べよう。いただきます。食べてみて。Take a bite.
Good.
Good. 美味しい。Do you want to share it with your brother? 弟と一緒に食べる？
He can bite a little bit.
So he can have a little bit of your pizza?
Yeah.
ケントも弟も。じゃあちょっと食べていい？ありがとう。Thank you. You're so nice. 優しいね。
Hello.